Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Soundboard on Discord. First of all, open your web browser and type in voice mode download. You will see this website. Click on download for free. You can enter with Discord, Google or Twitch. The installer file will download automatically. Once downloaded, open the installer file, install the application. Once installed, click on finish and launch voice mod. Click on get started. Now click on the drop down menu to select your microphone and select your microphone. And then select your headphones. Click on next. Click on start using voice mod. Now you will see this kind of interface. Now you have some free voice mods as well as paid. You can select any voice mod and click on test your voice. You can also change your voice by going to the voices. Select banana. Hello, this is my name and I am a banana. That's simply how you can do it. Now what you have to do is close the soundboard and open Discord. Click on the gear or the settings icon on the bottom left side. Scroll down, go to voice and video. Now in the microphone section, click on the drop down menu and select voice mod. Turn off the input sensitivity and also turn off the noise suppression to none. Once done, you can open the soundboard again, and now you can go to the sounds and click on
Say wallahi, bro.
Enrique!
Now all the sounds will also be heard through your microphone to your friends. So that's simply how you can use Soundboard on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.